Hello everybody, here's my latest work, 2 Blue Macaws. Actually technically quite complicated. I don't know why my work's getting so complicated these days, probably because the ideas are complicated and that makes the mosaics complicated. Anyway, this turquoise blue, streaky, is a new colour and I absolutely love it. Tiffany blue is my favourite colour of all, and I made these turquoise marini to go in the feathers to give it texture and detail. And then the shaft of the feather I've used 1mm dichro alongside some other stringers, which is the steel blue, which goes steel. And they've got a lovely expression, these macaws. You can see they're really enjoying the sweet corn. And the sweet corn, again, lots of marini mashed together, not just yellow, we've got some the orange and browns and greens in there as well to make it more interesting, add texture. But I think the most striking thing of all about this mosaic is the orange, which, although in terms of area is the least area is taken up by the orange, is having a really strong impact. The complementary colours again, of course. So if you ask why the orange, you've got to imagine it in blue or green, and the whole thing would just be harmonious, analogous, and that's not what I wanted in this case. I do that sometimes. Anyway, this one's got a real punch to it. And I think that's reflected, as usual, in the verse, which goes like this. 2 Blue Macaws. I'm unsure, but I could have sworn that macaws' favourite food was not sweet corn. I'm unconvinced that it's their passion. They just seem to eat it, parrot fashion.